Greetings, everybody. The United States Postal Service has decided to deliver something to me from a gentleman by the name of Dameon, and it's addressed to me and to my niece. So this should be interesting. Margaret Irene, I'm sorry you're not here to help me open this. Let me see what it's going to take to get into this thing. Reaching for the trusted scissors. Tubes are always interesting to open, because you never know when you're actually going to get it. Pop the lid on that one, and almost popped everything else as well. Let's see what's in here. Okay, first up is always fun. We have a handful of pins. And a puppy tag that says, "If lost, please return to Sir Dameon." And event pins. Let me see if I can grab a magnifying glass, mostly because I can't see a darn thing anymore. And see, what do we have here? We have a very pretty fist. Let's see if the camera can pick this up without taking it out of its wrapper. Art. Mr. Friendly. And that looks like only the beginning of this thing. Okay, I've got two more pins here as I'm dropping them all over the place. Puppy paw. And another fist pin. Now, I don't know if that's fist as in females investigating sexual terrain. So let's find out. T-shirt. Oh, okay. Check this one out. T-shirt, let's do it this way, from Northeast Leather. And what other treasures are in here? Feels like I have an event poster. Let me see if I can grab it. Yeah, I think I got it. Twisting ever so gently. Yes. Okay. It looks like, oh yeah. Northeast Leatherman, Leatherwoman, Leather Person, and Boot Black. Wow. Now that's an interesting piece of history. Let me start here and move it up so that you all can see this. What a beautiful piece, and what a wonderful addition to the library's art collection. You know how important I think posters are, especially event posters. And yes, I realize that more and more often, event posters are only being published online. And yet, as a great paper pusher, being able to display copies of posters that celebrated our events and who we are and what we do, how we gather, how we celebrate our champions, and so on, I believe is very important. I am going to be contacting my niece and contacting her friend to find out more, not just about the event, but about the contestants, to see if there was a program, to find out more about the attendees and what happened. But until I can get more information, sir, I thank you very much, and I am eager to see what comes next. And if you would like to see this poster, come and see it in the library.